up using stealth. We're hiding our identity. We're walking up. We're cutting here, 1, 2, slicing into the groin, and then we're moving out, and then evading back into the shadows. The idea of Kagegakure. Now, how do we take that? We're not going to do that. We're not. None of us, at least I don't think, any of us are operatives or working for the CIA or something to take people out. How can we use these same concepts in a knife fight? We need to protect ourselves. So back up just a bit. Move this chair real quick. So what we're going to do now is we'll do the same thing. He's going to come in with a ski. Now what we do is when I come in with the gagash, go ahead, ski up. And when I come in with the nagash, now I want you guys to finish off with some of those 7, at least 2 of the 7 techniques that we have. So I'm gonna nagash. I'm gonna check here. Then I'm gonna do the two airways coming in, 1, 2, and then I'll back out hitting the ribs. So the technique, he comes in, check, 1, 2, ribs coming in, right? So let's see the other side. So we're in, check, 1, 2, cut. See how I cut here? I'm gonna slice, slice. I'm literally just pushing the knife. Here, turn it here, right? So I'm going to keep the same motion as we come in. I cut the inside of the wrist, I check. Cut the throat, I come into the ribs, and then I can move in. Now if we go to the outside, and I check up this way, 1. Now what I'm going to do is I still need to hit the same areas, right? So at this point, I still want to get into the ribs of the gut cavity, right? Because that's part of what we're trying to do. As I cut through here, this becomes a check. I'm just going to come this right into that airway that you've seen the other side. So as I come in like this, boom, I'm right in that airway, see? I can cut him here, rip, and then come out to the stomach this way. So when he comes in with the cut here, that's the outside cut. I'm going to take this circle, jam it, rip, cut, rip, and then come out. You guys see how the circles and everything that we move is still there. So the technique now, we're going to have the uke, make the stab, and you guys are going to promise to go to the inside, and from the inside, cut, check. Cut the throat, 1, 2, come into the ribs and then come out. If we go to the outside, cut, check, right? Rip, rip, gut, rip, come out. Okay?